In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your theme in Google Slides. So if you want to have a different look and feel of your theme by changing your current theme to a different one, then it is pretty much simple. Just follow this guide. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on any slide in your presentation. For instance, I can just click on any, and then you will see this active theme. If you click on theme, now we have quite a number of themes we can choose from for our presentation here. So if you scroll down, you can choose any of them and they'll be applied in your presentation. For instance, I can go ahead and choose this theme. If I click on it, you can see the theme for all the slides will be changed to the current theme, and look how beautiful this is. Now, in case you have your own theme, maybe you want to import it from your computer, or you have it stored in your Google Drive, it is still simple. Just head over to import theme here, and then you can choose from your recent theme that maybe you used. You can select it from the list here. You can also go ahead and upload one if you want. You can go ahead and take one from your Google Drive, as well as take the one that was shared with you or from your computer. So that's how you can change your theme in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.